Welcome to JugnuTunes. Let's learn today's surprise.
What is this? What is this?
Yes, you are right.
This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. Fun fact: pigeons can find their way home from very far away.
Thanks for watching JugnuTunes. See you next time.